Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata guys and you're trying to find, replace and remove guys the intake variable timing solenoid guys. It's known also as Vvt Solenoid. Stay with us guys, we'll share very helpful information. Also we'll explain how you may not even need to replace that one, and we're going to share about cleaning, testing them, so make sure you stay until the end. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai that we'll be working on, but that should be the same for the whole generation. This is a 2.4 engine GDI. You need to remove the upper valve cover, grab it, pull it out. You have 4 rubber bushings that attach to this. Okay, let me just show you where it attaches quick, to these posts, right here. And those posts, you can actually even remove them if you need to, so make sure they're tight. Now, if you come to the engine guys, let me explain a few things now. Looking at your engine, this is your intake manifold. On the back side of your engine, you have your exhaust manifold guys. And you now, start to wonder, where is the Vvt solenoid for the intake side? It will be towards that intake guys. So, let's explain, what we have here and how we're going to replace it. So, looking at it now guys, right here, you're going to come to the left side of the engine, and if you pay attention, right here, let me just move the wiring harness. That wiring harness right here guys, you can see, let me focus quick. You can see where it's located. This is the variable timing solenoid. Press down on this thing, right here, you press down, you see the connector, you press down, and you pull it out. You can see when you press down, you're going to activate the mechanism to jump off the tooth and pull it out. So now this is guys the variable timing solenoid. It's right there. How you're going to remove it? On the bottom side you're going to have most likely one bolt. You can see right here. That bolt guys, in some cases it could be a Torx, in some cases it could be a 10mm socket. In our case it's Torx 30 guys. So we're going to go ahead and remove it. If you need to buy any special tools, parts, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please guys, check it out. So it did come loose. We're going to go ahead, just get it tight by hand and pull the bolt out. Careful, it's going to drop guys, you need to hold it with your fingers. Perfect. That solenoid now will be stuck guys. It has a seal that prevents oil from leaking out, and that's a place where you can develop a leak as well too. So let me explain now. You grab that solenoid, and it will be really stuck guys. So especially if the car, that solenoid on the car hasn't been removed at all, it will be really stuck. So what we'll recommend to do, in that case, let's see if we can get a screwdriver, get under the mount there, move it a little bit, then grab it. You need to move it back and forth. Check it out, it's turning now, and while you're turning it, just twist it a little bit. And if I come on this side, let me show you now, but careful not to break your intake manifold. I think if you come on this side and you get under, nope, I was trying to get under the solenoid to see if I can get it. I can't. So we're going to go ahead, grab it with the big pliers, but careful not to dent it, and just pull it out. It's coming out, I see it. Perfect. It will be very, very stuck guys. Why? Because you have that O-ring here that prevents leaks from coming out, and you can definitely see this solenoid hasn't been removed in forever guys. Now those things, they do fail, but not very often. Now if you have problems guys, always try to clean them first. It takes only practically a few minutes to clean it, guys, and test it. We have a special video that explains how to do that on Hyundai Sonata. Also, the number one reason for codes related to that solenoid will be, guys, okay, if you have dirty engine oil. So do an engine oil flush. Okay, we have an additive that we really like for engine oil flush that works amazing, and we'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, and you can see, guys, okay, the wonders that it does. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys trying to find out how to remove and replace the solenoid. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.